Hello everybody, we are the Watervliet Junior Senior High School team for What's So Cool About Manufacturing.
In this video, we're going to showcase what's so cool about the NSH USA company,
such as the machines they use, the working conditions they have, and the people who work there.
What we do here at NSH USA in Manans is we build machining systems that help keep trains on the tracks, to keep it real high level for you guys right now. Our machines, as I said earlier, they press wheels on to trains, they take them off, they help keep the wheels round, which is very, very important.
Hi, my name's Aaliyah Fernandez, and my job title is assembly mechanic.
What keeps you working here?
I think the community, for sure. A lot of the people that I work with have become really close friends and started as close friends before I even got in here, and then I just kind of expanded that from here, and I get to keep doing satisfying work of building things.
So I build a lot of the power cabinets that we use for the machine. So this is for a WTC. So basically what we do is build the panels, and then when they go down to the machines, we hook them up, make sure everything works. How do I like working here? It's pretty nice. The environment is very good. There's places to eat around here for lunch, stuff like that. The coworkers are nice. It's a good work environment, so I like it. If I'm working on a cabinet, it's a little more involved. If I'm working on something like a control station, it's a little, I could free my mind up a little bit more. It's pretty calm here. It's a pretty relaxed work environment.
My name is Maya, and my job is the industrial painter.
She's an industrial painter, so she prepares metal and she paints metal for our machinery, primes it, paints it.
So I take our parts that are stored over in the cage and I sand them or grind them so that they have scratches in them, so that our primer will stick to it, and then they get painted. I like the pace. It can be fast paced. We have a lot to do, a lot to get done, or we have days where we don't have a lot in paint, so we're more laid back, but we still have something to do.
Thank you for watching.